Welcome to Shiny Colors Final Classes, everyone. This is Rashmi here. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us start this mountain landscape today. Making mountain and cloud is not very difficult, but it's a bit of tricky. So let's start. Keep watching the video till end. Don't skip it because I had given many multiple tips here that will help you to understand the clouds and the mountains in a better way. Keep ready your brushes. Start making the clouds. So for the clouds, I am applying the base that is little darker, and I'm applying lavender color for that. And now I'm using ultramarine. And as we come towards the cloud, we have to leave the cloud part. And edges has to be little uneven for the mountain and for the clouds. See how beautiful the clouds came. I'm mixing orange and the blue and making the back side of the mountain. Little dark, little light. The light is also coming from the top, so that we have to take care and leaving the light part. Here I am making the gray. The gray will be little orangish and bluish, and then the color has to be very diluted. Make the peaks darker on the left side and keep adding the colors. The variation of the color grayish and bluish has to come here and there. And a little darker grayish part on the right side of the mountain. Make the variation and make the layering of the color lighter to dark. Grayish color as it is coming towards us, becoming greenish. Those conifer trees, far conifer trees, looking little darker and looking little blurry because they are far. So make them while your paper is wet. Now we have to give some more layering. Little bit with the dark color on the mountain, leaving that light layer for the stream or for the snow. There can be a small stream that is coming from the mountain to the valley. or it can be a snow layer also. We have to leave that, and as we are coming down, we have to take the dark color. When the paper is wet, take advantage and apply bluish greenish color. Bluish for darkness, greenish is for grass and the trees. You can make another layer of the mountain with a little dark grayish color. Keep coming down. As the mountain is coming closer, it is becoming greenish. Bluish, greenish, little dark. You can see the variation as it is coming closer. The mountain is becoming darker. We came to the valley, and the valley also has becoming a little brownish, little grayish, brownish, grayish, greenish. So add the color, add the variation, and keep forward. Keep forward, adding the color. As you come forward, add the variation of the color. Different green, different blue, different gray. Here I am adding yellow ochre. And a bit green. Make the conifer tree with the flat brush. See how am I making? The same way I have applied in the back trees. Only I just make it little wet. Add some trees. Hold the brush sidewise while making these trees, and see, like this, sidewise when you add, and just dab it, the tree will come. Make the front trees. Just touch it. Just touch with the dark color. Only remember the gradation. As we are coming closer, the color has to be little darker. Now here also those pine trees, we have to take the green color. Mix any dark in the green to make the little darkish green, gray or brown or any other color, to just make the green color little more dark. Touch it, just touch it and let it spread. While it is drying, let's make the stones here on the sidewise. So take the brown color. You can take burnt sienna or any brownish color, like you can add a little gray in the orange also to make that reddish brownish color. Make the first layer of the stones. With a dry brush on the dry surface. So I'm not using very thicker color, using little light color and using the dry brush technique on the dry surface, it's not wet. Now the second layer, when you make the second layer, try to make the shape of the stones. And with the third layer, give the final shape of the stones and a little bit texture on the bottom of the area. Little sand, small strokes, small stones. And with that I'm done. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. See you for the next video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep the bell icon on so that you will get the notification for my next videos. Thank you, friends.